Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be doing a lip scrub with you guys. So as much as I love my face beads and all of that, I also love taking care of my skin and my lips. The lips is one of the most luscious part of your body that everybody can see. So I also like to take care of it a lot, also with all the lipsticks that we've been using lately. So hence it creates cracks on the lips. So what I wanted to do today was just do up a whole video on just how to get rid of your dry skin on your lips, as well as how to restore your lips. So what I'm going to do is just use a few ingredients, but that will give you the best possible outcome that you expect. So guys, if you want to see how to do that, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, first thing first, I want to tell you that when you are doing your makeup, always moisturize your lips while you're doing your makeup. So make sure you put on a moisturizer first and then go on and do your face. Thereafter, wipe it out and then put on your lipstick, because the matte lipsticks are really drying. So I'm going to go out and take out my lip gloss that I have here. That's the foundation and everything that was there. So guys, here I've got in some sugar, just plain sugar. Here I've got some almond oil. I'm just going to take a little bit of almond oil. Pop it into this, just like a few drops. That's just for moisturizing the skin and keeping it healthy. Then after, to add in some vibrance and some color, I decided to go in with some coloring. This is not essential, not at all. I added so much. Anyway guys, I'm just going to take this on my finger like this and mix it. Now what I'm going to do is get myself a mirror and apply this. Guys, in place of the almond oil, you can go in with coconut oil as well, or honey. Rub onto your lips for a few seconds. Don't rub too hard because you will rip your lips. So guys, this is what it actually turned out like. Everywhere is a bit stained. The lip is stained. Like the areas that I cracked with the dry lipstick, that area is actually stained. Also guys, it did get rid of the blackness of my lips. It also gave me like this kind of pop lip. So that's what I actually like about it. And you can replace it with pink, or you can replace it with the red food coloring. Anything works. So guys, once you're done, go in with a moisturizer. I'm just going in with a clear gloss. You can go in with Vaseline as well as almond oil, coconut oil, anything just to hydrate your lips because you have exfoliated it. Also, guys, don't leave this on for too long because the stain will eventually stain your skin and you will end up looking like the Joker. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.